Hello everyone, welcome to today's session where we will delve into the world of insomnia. Insomnia is a condition where you have a difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. Today we will explore various factors that contribute to insomnia along with some examples to help you understand better. Firstly, let's talk about stress. Now, what is stress? Stress is something we all experience from time to time, whether it's due to office work, school, relationship, or other life events. When you are stressed, your mind can be racing with worries, making it hard to relax and drift off to sleep. For example, imagine you have a big presentation at work the next morning. You might find yourself tossing and turning at the night, thinking about that the things that could might be go wrong while giving a presentation in office. Now let's discuss about irregular sleep schedules. Our body have an internal clock that regulates when we feel awake and when we feel sleepy. When you go to bed and awake at a different times each day, it can throw off this internal clock, making it difficult to establish consistent sleep routine. For instance, if you stay up late on weekends and then try to go bed early during the weekdays, your body may struggle to adjust, leading to sleepless night. Now, let's talk about caffeine. Many of us rely on caffeine to help us stay awake and alert during the day. However, caffeine late in the day can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Caffeine is found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and some sodas also. If you have a cup of coffee or a tea or a chocolate bar in the evening, it can stimulate your nerve system, making it harder for you to wind down and relax when it's time for bed. Another factor that can contribute to insomnia is the use of electronic devices before bedtime. For instance, smartphones, tablets, computer emits a blue light which can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that can regulate sleeps. When you expose yourself to this blue light before bed, it can trick your brain into thinking it's a still daytime, making it harder for you to fall asleep. For example, if you are scrolling through a social media or watching a video on your phone right before bedtime, it can disrupt your sleep patterns. In addition, these factors, certain lifestyles, habits, and medical conditions can also contribute to insomnia. For example, drinking alcohol or smoking cigarette before bedtime can disrupt your sleep patterns. Similarly, medical conditions such as, for instance, depression, anxiety, sleep apnea make it difficult to get a good night's sleep. So, as you can see, there are many factors that can contribute to insomnia, ranging from stress, irregular sleep schedules, and caffeine consumption, and the use of electronic devices before bedtime. By understanding these factors, you can take a step to improve your sleep hygiene and get the rest you need to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. That's all for the today's session by understanding insomnia. I hope this information found you helpful. Remember, if you are struggling with insomnia, it is essential to talk your doctor or your healthcare professionals for personalized advice and support. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, sleep well and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and share our video. Thank you.